Does flying a drone make you rich? Let's ask a better question. What happens when the sky becomes your office and the world becomes your client? In recent years, drone piloting has grown from a niche hobby to a high-income profession. And behind this evolution stand real people, men and women who left the ground and never looked back. Today, we're going to meet them, learn from them, and maybe follow their path. Kevin Perberg was a sound engineer, then a web developer. He had skills, but no passion. One day, he bought a drone. Just for fun. It changed everything. Kevin began taking aerial shots of landscapes, buildings, events. Soon, people started paying for those shots. Then, businesses called. He quit his job, converted his van into a mobile drone office. And with just one drone and the courage to travel, Kevin made over 6 figures in a year, working with companies like Fly Guys across the United States. Now ask yourself, could that be you? Mike Yoder grew up in an Amish community. No electricity. No internet. No modern tech. But something in him was drawn to innovation. He left his community, taught himself drone flying, and in a few short years, built $1 million drone services company. From agriculture to real estate to industrial inspections, Mike's drones work where people can't. He turned his past into a launch pad. And today, he's not just flying drones, he's training the next generation of pilots. Still wondering if it's too late to start? And Luke Maximo Bell. He studied mechatronics engineering but never liked the desk life. He built his own drones, filmed with them, and turned that passion into a career. Today, Luke is a director and drone operator for global productions, working on projects like Resident Evil and Apple TV's The Year Earth Changed. He flies in volcanoes, oceans, war zones. The world is his film set, and the drone, his lens. These stories aren't luck. They're built on vision, work, and flight. Drone piloting today is more than just flying. It's about storytelling, data, logistics, and risk. It touches industries from film to farming, construction to conservation. In some regions, certified drone pilots earn $100 to $300 per hour. In others, they build entire businesses around it. But it's not just about the money. It's about freedom. Freedom to work from anywhere. Freedom to choose your clients. Freedom to create from the sky. And yes, there are barriers. You'll need licenses in many countries. You'll need to invest in equipment, in training. You'll need patience. But if you push through, the sky doesn't just become your office, it becomes your empire. So, does drone piloting make you rich? Yes. If you're willing to rise, don't forget to subscribe and become part of our growing community.